In this video we visit Nordic Predators booth at the IWA show and check out their new game call for mallards. I'm now in the Nordic Predators booth here at the IWA 2025, and I really like the games calls from Nordic Predator. And this year there is a new game call on the market, Nordik Mallard, and I'm standing here with Stancho. Please tell me a little bit about this game call. What can you use it for?
It's a very nice call. It's using for Mallard. It's a single reed call. And it's a very good call for the beginner. You could make the sound that you need for hunting.
Yeah.
So there is three typical sounds. It is a quack, it's a feeding sound, and come back.
Yeah.
The goal is that is not needed to blow very hard like the criticals, but it sounds amazing.
Yeah. Can you show us?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That is the sound that is needed for waterfowl hunting of mallards.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice and easy
and it's
call.
pretty easy to learn.
Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah.
Everyone, if you have some experience with the calls, it's possible to learn it.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah. And when will it be on the market?
I think maybe in May will be available on the all reseller in all the world, or NordikPredator.com.
The retails.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for showing this to us.
Thank you.
Yeah. So check out this if you are looking for a game call to call ducks.